Hey guys, it's Wednesday. I'm about to go to the supermarket because I want to make shrimp alfredo today with some cheddar biscuits and some string beans. I don't know, I've been craving that, so that's what I'm about to go to the supermarket for. I need to get some heavy cream, the string beans, and I think I need something else. But yes, welcome back to my channel. I am vlogging. I haven't picked up the camera in a little minute and I'm sorry, but I'm gonna give you guys like a life update soon. But yeah, Amani's coming with me. Amani's grown so much, honestly. She's now 6. She turned 6 in April. I haven't vlogged in like 2 months. So now she's 6. She wears glasses. She just graduated kindergarten, so in August she starts 1st grade. So that's like a life update number 1. But yeah, I'm about to go to the supermarket though, so I can make my food. It's like around 10 o'clock, I believe, so I'll probably start cooking a little later. Maybe I make it for lunch and have it all day or something, I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the supermarket and then I'll check back in with you guys a little bit later. Alright y'all, so it's a little bit later. I had to put my shrimps in some cold water because I had asked my boyfriend if he wanted some food and he said yeah, and I know he probably finished work around 4 and now it's like 2:30. So the shrimps finally defrosted. I'm about to wash those off with some vinegar and then I'm gonna season them up. I had bought some cooking wine to go inside of the Alfredo. I never used cooking wine in my pasta before, but I want to try something new today, so I'm going to use some of this. And then I got my Red Lobster cheddar biscuits right here. Alright, so all my shrimps already came peeled with the tail on. I really don't like the tail on, but I'm gonna leave them. I'm not about to go through all these shrimp. There's like 40 shrimps in here, but my shrimps are nice and cleaned, and I'm about to season them after I pat out the water. So before I season, I like to go in with a little bit of olive oil, just a little bit.
My baby, my Valentine. Can I hear the making my temperature rise? If you leave me, I could die. I swear, you are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest, but nothing to totally me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your body. Ule, I want it, but can't see. Ule, open up, make I see. Ule, you're my love, one thing. If you make a bad man sing, no.
All right, y'all, so I just finished cooking. I'm still waiting on the string beans to be done, but let me show you guys what the biscuits came out. So this is how the biscuits came out. They're still cooling down a little bit. Then over here is the shrimp alfredo, and then I got the string beans still cooking up a little bit in here. So I'm gonna wait for this to cool down. I'm gonna show you guys my plate. I'm tired. I've been in the kitchen for like an hour. Oven on. It's summertime, it's hot, so like, yeah, I feel like by the time I finish eating, I'm gonna want to lay down for the rest of the day, but we'll see what happens.
And Mom, also, no, July 29, the movie just come out.
What movie's coming out July 29th?
Yeah.
Which movie?
It's the Super Pets. It's from Netflix.
Do you want to watch Sing 2 today? When we finish eat our food, we'll watch Sing 2.
No.
Alright, you guys, so this is what my food looked like. The shrimp alfredo, my cheddar biscuits, and then my string beans. Hey y'all, it's the next day. So today Amani has a doctor's appointment, so that's where we're about to go. She has to take her 6-year checkup. It's kind of best when during the summertime to get all of her medical stuff together, because during the school year she's in school from 7:15 to 3:15, so I don't have no time during the week, and they suggest that we don't take off a weekday to have any appointments. Are you gonna do this the whole time? I guess update number 2 for you guys, come on, will be the fact that now we have a kitten. His name is Mr. He's so bad. He is so bad, y'all. But yeah, they suggest that we don't take any appointments as far as health during the school week. And then the weekends is just a lot, because I know during the weekends, doctor's offices be packed. So she already got her she already did her dentist appointment for the year. As you can see now, she wears glasses, so she got her eyes tested for the year. Now all we have left to do is her pediatric. So that's what we're about to do. And I have to go to Target. I really do, but I might go tomorrow. I gotta get my nails done too. No, I gotta get my feet done. My feet have to get done. So I'll probably go to the nail salon tomorrow and Target tomorrow. So I think Amani's leaving for the weekend. Just gotta double check on that. But yeah, we're about to go to the doctors, and then I'll check in with you guys when we get back. Alright y'all, so it's like a couple of hours later after we came back from the doctor's office. I basically had something to eat, laid down, wanted to take a nap but couldn't take a nap, and I've just been laying there. But I know I told you I was gonna give you guys a little life update, like basically explaining like why I haven't posted in 2 months. Can you turn on your volume? So basically with me, honestly, I feel like with content, I am my #1 critic. Like I feel like if I don't like my content, I'm not gonna post it. Also, I'm always in the house. I really don't do anything. So I feel like vlogging and stuff in the house is kind of whack. I don't know. But I honestly feel like I've been trying to find the content that I want to do with my channel. I had some videos that I wanted to post but never posted because I didn't like it. But now I'm just learning to just post the content. If you don't like it, just post the content. And my channel from going forward will basically be like regular vlog. It's a vlog channel with a little bit of lifestyle content. And there will be mommy vlogs as far as having a mommy in more of my videos. And then there's also going to be like me having a little social life, hanging out if I start to hang out, I guess. Maybe some, you know, trying to find things in the house to do, like maybe declutter, clean with me, shower routines, morning routines, night routines, stuff like that. So that's basically what my channel is. I need to get my hair done. This is basically what my channel is going to be about. I'm going to find a schedule for when I'm going to post my content, probably twice a week, if not once a week. And that's pretty much it, honestly. There's nothing crazy going on. I just couldn't figure out the content, and I was not liking my content, which is why you didn't get anything. So I'm just learning to just post the content, just post it basically. And that's pretty much it. I'm not doing anything for the rest of the day. Tomorrow is Friday. Tomorrow I'm gonna get my feet done. My nails aren't so bad, but my feet has to get done. Like I said before, like my feet have to get done tomorrow. That's no ifs, ands, or buts. I need to get my hair done. I'm probably gonna wash it because I have so much like jam in my hair, and I need to go to Target. So that's basically what I might be doing tomorrow. So I think I might end this vlog here and then start vlogging again tomorrow. Stranger Things Volume 2 comes out tomorrow, so I might have to catch that. I don't know. I'm just gonna get my stuff done first and then think about other stuff. I don't really think I'm doing anything 4th of July weekend, honestly. I'm supposed to go to a barbecue, but I'm not too sure. Amani's gonna be with me. She is not going to her dad's house. So
I am on tomorrow.
nope, Daddy said no.
Why?
Why don't you call him and ask? So yeah,
I know what you're not leaving.
I'm probably gonna end the vlog here, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.